Are you thinking of renovating before you sell? Make sure you watch this video to avoid these 5 costly renovation mistakes. Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Lutzo and I'm a real estate agent in the Greater Toronto area, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're thinking of renovating your home for the purpose of selling, make sure you watch this video to avoid these costly mistakes. If you like this content and would appreciate more content like this, then please give it a little like, comment, share, and subscribe. It would mean so much to me, and let's get right into the video. Your first home renovation mistake is getting too fancy, okay? So make sure that you analyze the neighborhood that you're in or that your investment property is in, and don't go too overboard. Make sure your renovations match somewhat to the area that you are in. If you're renovating in an older area or maybe an area that hasn't totally redeveloped or developed yet, then you definitely don't want to be pouring in a significant amount of money into that property, and including top of the line appliances and top of the line materials. Make sure you have a property that you're comparing it to before you start renovating. Buyers typically won't pay a significant amount of money over the neighborhood average. Number 2, okay, this is a big one. Do-it-yourself projects. Listen, if you have the proper skills, DIY projects can work absolutely beautifully, but if you know that you can't do it or maybe don't have the necessary skills to do it, then please hire somebody. If you know that you're gonna have trouble doing it yourself, it can seriously mess up the outcome and it can seriously mess up your home. I mean, how many times have you or I have walked into a home, a new listing, and on that listing it says newly renovated completely top to bottom, and then you walk into the home and the painting, that there's paint streaks on the wall, it's not painted properly, the kitchen, the tiles, the backsplash are completely uneven, some of the new cabinets, you can't even open them. So make sure that if you're going to be doing a DIY project that you have somewhat of experience doing it and that you know what you're doing, but if not, please hire a professional. Number 3, removing walls to expand other areas. Okay, so this is usually particularly for bedrooms. This can go for living spaces as well, but it really depends on the size of your home. But the main thing you want to be careful for is you don't want to limit another space to give another area some space, okay? So you don't want to, close off, completely eliminate one bedroom to make another bedroom if that's going to decrease the value of your property. You want to be careful that you're not having fewer bedrooms than other properties within your area that are going to be and potentially could be your competition. Number 4, installing in-ground pools. So first of all, they are super expensive. I think the average is about $40,000 to install. This may depend on the type of buyer that's going to be looking at your property. I've had buyers that absolutely love pools and want a house with a pool, but majority of them do not want a pool. So just be careful that if you do decide to install an in-ground pool, that you will be limiting the amount of buyers, but there probably still will be a buyer out there. It'll just be a smaller percentage. So just keep in mind that this will be an extra responsibility for the buyer, and that it may take just a little bit more time to find that particular buyer. And to wrap it up, number 5, overspending on bathrooms. You recoup probably no more than half of the investment of bathroom renovations at today's prices. There is a slight exception for master en-suites, but overall with the rest of your bathrooms, make it look nice, but don't overdo it. So next time you want to renovate for the purpose of selling, make sure that you're not overspending and make sure that you avoid these 5 costly mistakes. If you found value in today's video, then please give it a little like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please share it with someone that you think could benefit, and I appreciate you guys so much, and I'll see you next time.